Before I go into that, let me say, and to let Nigerians know, that people have called me throughout this morning, all kinds of things, that I went to court against Atiku Abubakar. I want to say categorically, if I had reason to go to court, I would go to court. But I didn't go to court. I just have to say it for Nigerians to know. I have kept quiet. I'm busy delivering dividends of democracy. For my party to win election in Rivers State, people are busy plotting how they win election. Rather, our people are busy trying to see how they will lose the election. If they lose the election, nobody should call my name. I have told the candidates, you will lose this election, you win this election because of people around you. Anybody who knows me knows too well. If I was going to court, I was going to court within 2 weeks after the primaries, because it is a pre-election matter. And after 2 weeks, he can't go to court. The legal advisor of the party called me and told me he knows that there's a mischief going on. That he knows me very well. If I'm going to court, it's not those kind of lawyers I would have used. And I don't even know the lawyers. But I want to tell the candidate, it is the candidate group that are doing all these things. Let the world hear. They are the ones plotting all these things, thinking that they will spoil my name. You cannot. Yesterday they said, I removed all PDP flags in Rivers State government house. We are supposed to be talking about how you win an election. It's not about these run seekers around people. They are not doing him any favor. Rather, they are trying to make him not to win the election. But if that's what they wish, I wish them good luck. I wish them good luck. But after my commission of project, nobody should say Wike has started though. Because when I start, I've been on my own. They are looking for trouble when there's no trouble. But this man, the first lawyer from my community, he's late. His name is Rizidong Echonwu. He said he does not understand this country. That they said, he's not married. People are worried. He's not worried. Oh, Echonwu does not chop his from mother's food. He's not worried. People are worried. Wike is not important. Wike is not worried. People are worried. Rivers leaders, they have met you. Wike is not worried. People are worried. My own is to come out in the public and tell the world, allow peace to reign. If you say your mother will not sleep, you too, you will not sleep at the appropriate time. So I'm busy commissioning projects. Tell those who are supporting you to also go and commission projects to win their states. This is my own campaign. This is our own campaign to make our candidates to win an election. I didn't go to court. I have no reason to go to court. But those of you who are plotting and put my name that I went to court, for you to come out now to say, oh, we can't want to go, shame will be on you. Shame will be on all of you. Tell them, shame, 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 shame. Tell them, shame, 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 shame.
As he dey see with them, he dey pain them. As he dey see with you, you go bury them.
Don't worry, it's rain is falling. Don't worry. At an appropriate time, we'll sing it for them.
Confirm.
You see, a man is not talking. I'm doing my work. Leave me to do my work. You are worried. Concocting everything every day. Put this on. Social media cannot make you to win election. Election is by the people. By the people. Let those who are in Abuja with you, tell them to go home and campaign for you to win election. Leave Wike alone. Leave Wike alone. Leave Wike alone. Enough is enough. That is where that will stop.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.